Here are step-by-step instructions on how to. YALE LINUS L2 Smart Lock is added to Apple HomeKit. The first thing you need to do after installing the lock is to download the native YALE Home app to your smartphone. After installing this app, you will need to add your lock to it and do the initial setup. Immediately after that you will be able to control the smart lock, open and close it from your smartphone. In this case, the question arises, why do you need to add a smart lock to Apple HomeKit? The point is that Apple's Home app combines the control of several devices within one app, so you don't have to open several different apps for this. For example, you can add both a video surveillance camera and a smart lock, and from one application you can see on the screen who came to you, and from there you can open the door for your guest, and all this without getting up from the couch, and then close the door and turn on the light in the hallway if there is a smart light bulb with Apple HomeKit support. And the second important factor is that by adding your smart lock to the Home app on your iPhone, you can immediately control the lock from all your Apple devices without having to install any additional software. You will be able to open, close the lock from iPad, Apple Watch, or even from MacBook. All this can be done both manually and by voice commands. So here we go. Open the YALE Home app and go into the settings. Select the item Nalishtovanya Tablokovanya. Go down to the bottom and find the item Matter. Go into it and press the Enable Matter button. The application shows us the Matter code, press Copy Code and click Next. Press Start Connection. After a few seconds we are redirected to the window for selecting the smart home system that we are using. We are thrown to the Home application. Here we need to click on the plus in the upper right corner and select Add Accessory. We get a window for scanning the QR code, but since we have not a QR code, but a numeric code, we need to click on the line Other Options. Here we see on the screen that we have a lock YALE LINUS L2 and we select it. And in the appeared code input field we paste the previously copied code. Click Continue. In the next window click OK. And wait for the lock to be added to the house. Choose the room where we have the lock installed, in our case it is the front door. We do not change the name of the lock. And finally we get a notification that the lock is successfully added to the house. Then we can check how the lock opens and closes from the Home application. You can purchase YALE LINUS L2 Smart Lock on the YALE LINUS L2 website, link in the description, or from YALE LINUS dealers.